Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will share how you can create an engaging video for your social media handles just by giving a simple prompt. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So head over to this website and create your account. Once you are logged in, type in the topic of your video to generate the script. You can make the necessary changes in the script. You can choose between male and female voices. Select the aspect ratio of the video. Choose the AI model. Click on Create Video. Click on this button. You can make changes to the video if you want. Also, you can add motion to your video frames to make it more engaging. To add the motion, click on the Edit and Add Motion. Once you are happy with the video, you can click on Export. Once this is done, you can click on the download button to save it on your computer system. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.